Partner, Marketplace, and Service Creation. Let's log into the Synergi Partner Marketplace. Let's go up to our partner login. Let's log in as Synergi. Once you log in, you come to the Welcome to the Partner Marketplace page. Here you can see your partner profile with the information that you inputted at registration. You can change your password here, change your logo for the desktop, and your icon for your services as well. Let's get started and create a service. Let's go over to our Service tab at the top. Click it. Here you can see your product name, Synergi, in this case. Let's expand this, and we can see our services that we've created in our training. We can start here page. You can see that page here. We can preview it. You can see that page at the bottom. We can also go down and look at some of the services we've already created. Yahoo Charts, Wikipedia, different things here, and you can look at these and see how they work. One of the nice things about this is we have help right here on this page. If we go to Service Creation, you can find out more about the product, how to build groups, partner services, and more importantly, at the very bottom, you can find the tokens that you can use to pass contacts from the Outlook forms to the URLs for your services. Let's review that now. Let's go to an existing quote or existing service that we've done before, and let's look at Yahoo quote. In here we just named our service. You can give it a description. You can also set what type of bundle you want it to be, whether a basic bundle or an advanced bundle or a professional service bundle. You can price those bundles and those services for each service. So for each service that you put in or web page that you put in, you can put a price to it, 50 cents, $1, whatever. So in this situation here, we are going to pass the input. We're going to use the input token to pass contacts. And when we look at it, we're going to see we're going to pass GE to that service. So let's go ahead and test that. So we typed in input for the token, and we're going to pass GE to the web page. So let's give it a try. Click preview. As you can see, we passed General Electric to that web page. It's just that simple. You can come up here and on your service group, you can see your services here and what prices that you've assigned to those services, whether they're basic or advanced or professional. You can see what prices are. Of course, obviously, we wouldn't charge these things because they're free to the public. But this is an example of what you could do. So it's very simple. You can click on, like we created a service called NBC Shows, and we created this service, and we wanted to pull full name from the contact form. So if we can look at the contacts data, they're going to pull William H. Gates. So if we come back to our service and we click preview, you can see that it'll pass William H. Gates and see if it was ever on NBC. And we found William H. And here's Bill Gates. So it did pass the contacts to the URL and found that particular individual. Let's create a new service. Let's put our pointer over services. Click on Add Service. We'll get a new service here. Let's go ahead and type in our URL that we want. I want to do a wiki. Let's do a wiki. .org, and I'm going to go ahead and preview that. I want to make sure that I'm going to be doing that in English. So we're going to scroll up here and say English. We're going to go ahead and say we're going to do biography. And let's go ahead and also, let's look at, let's find somebody. Let's find John Glenn. And we'll select that. And we're doing that so that we can get the URL. So, in this solution, I typically would go right property and click on properties for the web page. But we're going to actually look at the frame source. So in the frame source, you can actually get the URL right here from the top. So we'll go ahead and pick that up. We're going to copy that, close that frame source, and we're going to go ahead and paste that right in here. Control V. And the reason we're going to do that is we're going to take this John Glenn out of here, and we're just going to go ahead and put our token in there. We're going to do a caret. A caret always precedes the token. And we're going to put in full name. We're going to do it in uppercase. And we'll put another caret. That ends the token. And now if we come down here to context passing, we can see who we're going to pass it to. We're going to pass William H. Gates to that service. Now we can always change that. You can come in here and click edit, and you can click the name, change the name itself, and you can see who else you can find. But let's go ahead and preview this and see if it finds William H. Gates or Bill Gates, and it does. So now we've created a service, but let's give it a name. Let's say Wiki Biography. And let's go ahead and say add. So now we've created a new service, and it's that simple. And we can also price that service too. So we can click the Wiki Biography, and we've priced that at $1.50. We can change that if we wanted to $2 and say update. Of course, we wouldn't do that, but if you were putting in your own services as a partner, you could. And then when you come back up here, search at the group, you can see what that service is getting paid. So this, you can see how you're bundling your services. And what's also nice, right here in the partner portal, you can also click and install the Synergi add-in yourself at your desktop, Leo, in Microsoft Outlook, and test it there on your own Outlook. I hope that helps, and look forward to hearing from you. Thank you.